Baby hotline, please hold me close to you. Baby flatline, still time to do it too. Baby snack time, chow down to her butt in her head. She's a hoarder of quarters, no boundary boredom, dumb bound.